Hi, my name Chin Edward. I had such a bad credit score before I came to see people who work at Credit Solution, and my score was really bad. I had so many inquiry. I didn't know what to do until I came here, and they give me such a hope, and they will guide me what I have to do and what they can do for me, and they were taking really seriously, and I really go for whatever they want me to do, and they did wonderful job, and they clear all my bad credit record, and I able to get my personal loan, and I wanted to buy a house for like last 7-8 years, and finally they helped me to able to get the loan for my house, and I got the house January 1st in 2018. So I'm here to say thank you everybody who helped me out, especially my favorite one is Bianca. I went through such a hard time, and she always encouraged me, and she told me she can do it, she can do the best, and she said we can make it happen, and she really did. So I'm here sitting on a chair, and I wanted to tell everybody, have a hope, don't give up, and anything can happen, and you can do your own business, buy a house, have a loan, anything can happen. Just believe what they say and do the best what we can do. Okay, thank you.